The world faces monumental challenges. It always has. But if you look around, progress is everywhere. People are coming together, imagining a better future, working to turn ideas into positive impact. Sometimes they stumble, other times they fail. But through each misstep, mishap, and mistake, there's progress, not only for the chosen few, but for everyone. Progress is making clean energy accessible. Progress makes landfill useful. Progress empowers Indigenous success, advances healthcare, protects the vulnerable, improves quality of life for dementia patients. Progress expands access to education. We've made incredible progress, but there is more to be achieved. Our sights remain forward. Progress for all.